guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl TJ. I am back with another freaking video. So yes, as you guys seen by the title, this unit that I'm rocking today is the unit I picked up from Amazon. I'm gonna say this throughout the video. Amazon did not know who I was. I didn't let them know I was a YouTuber. I'm just simply purchasing. I always do that when I purchase unit. I don't want them to know who I am so they can be like, oh yeah, let me finesse, so let me see the best of the best. No, I want to see what y'all giving real life people, you know. So like I said, I purchased this unit for $30. I'm gonna show you guys how I put it on, and towards the end of the video y'all gonna know my thoughts on this unit. So if you guys are interested in see that, also I do a makeup get ready with me too, so I do go ahead and finesse my face because we was looking crusty. This is called the Nomad by Juvia's. So this is the palette we're gonna use today. But these colors are beautiful. When I tell you they're beautiful, they're so freaking beautiful. So if you guys are interested in seeing this whole get together, don't forget to stay tuned to the next part of the video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and we're about to get right into this video. Okay? Okay. Y'all, I'm out of breath. I need to work out. Alright guys, so your girl is back. Okay, we back in poppin'. Alright guys, so if I'm yelling, it's because I have a fan on right here, my air conditioner on in the back, and I don't know how loud stuff is, so we here with it today. So I went ahead and ordered me a wig from Amazon Prime. It is a synthetic wig, okay? I have somewhere to go, so I want to do like a full get ready with me, from my hair to my makeup, and that's it. So we're doing the hair portion first. This company is called Joedir, I think is how you pronounce it. I do have, I can't read stuff backwards, so it's Joedir. This is what the box looks like. Mind you, they don't know who I am. When I order stuff from companies, I don't ever put my name on there, simply because it's easy for them just to look it up and be like, oh, she's a YouTuber. So inside the wig comes, and it looks just like this. They gave me a headband. Okay, I had it upside down. It's a freaking wig cap. Okay, fall. So it's a freaking wig cap. I'm trying to make sure my lighting stops fluctuating because I'm using my sunlight for my windows, and yeah. So I got a wig cap, and they also provided me lashes. So we're getting in with the star of the show, which is the unit. Yes, I always say that, but anyway, it doesn't have a smell. This unit is synthetic. I bought this wig basically based off the customer reviews, and that's pretty much how I buy stuff. I either buy stuff that hasn't been reviewed, or I buy stuff that other people has bought, and I just really want to see what the gag is. So this bad boy was only 30 bucks. So we about to see what we're getting. Off back, it has a weird texture to it, so it definitely feels different than the normal synthetic hair I'm used to working with. It's a nice pretty wavy texture. It's like a body wave pattern, but it has like a yucky texture to it. If you guys, I'm gonna bring it up close so you guys, there we go. But it has like a yucky feel to this specific texture. So this is what you're getting if you're gonna order it from them. So this is the construction. I'm gonna zoom up some. Okay, so they're giving us room right here to create our baby hairs. I love that. It's not too much parting space. Of course, they're giving us combs on the side. I don't really use the combs because I don't need them, and I don't like the way it looks. It has a comb at the nape, and it has 2 drawstrings at the bottom. Okay, so like I said, I just need something quick to throw on to go, and I just wanted like a wavy pattern synthetic unit. So right now she's looking freaking laid. Okay, we got this little bit of room to play with, so I'm about to put this on. Okay, alright guys, so I have a big head, and y'all know, and I'm telling you, when I tell you guys this cap is freaking snug, that thing is tight. I don't know if they offer different wig sizes, but honey, this wig ain't going nowhere. Okay, nowhere. I'm about to cut this because it's like super tight. Y'all don't see how tight this is. It's like smashing my forehead in. It's like, and the drawstrings, I think I have it only hooked on one. But I just really feel like this hair is gonna tangle. Y'all know me and curly hair. I love curly hair, but I feel with synthetic textures it's prone to tangle quicker, and I don't know why that is, but it just is. But I'm not about to play with this stuff too much. Normally I know with curly hair I just leave it alone, like, period. Now these is not the right scissors for me to be playing with on my forehead, but y'all, I don't feel like going to get my scissors, but these are just kitchen scissors. So okay, so I did get my shear scissors. I'm gonna move my mirror up just a little bit so I can see what I'm doing. Okay, so now that she's cut, normally I would use a foundation, but I don't think I need it. I don't think it's necessary. I think it blends well with my darker portions of my forehead. So like I said, this unit is very snug. When you do cut the lace though, it does get a little bit loose, so it fits actually perfectly fine. So depending on how my lace be fitting, I determine whether or not I need to I determine whether or not I need to use the got2b hairspray. Being as though I didn't even bring it out here, we're not going to use it today. I'm just going to go ahead and create my baby hairs and lay it down. Now I'm just going in and pulling some of the hair out because I just don't want it too thick, you know. So when you just pull out some of the baby hairs, it makes it very, very fine. Well, not the baby hairs, just the strands of hair. It makes it thinner because sometimes you don't need all these pieces. And I only do this when I really want to look bomb AF. If I'm being lazy or I feel like the texture of the lace will rip a hole in it, I would just have to keep my thick baby hairs. My baby hairs, if you create an angle, your baby hairs will fall at an angle, which makes it easier to create your swoops. I don't know, it's just me. Some people can do it straight across, but I noticed when I was doing my straight across, sis, I looked at, no, it was just not it. And if you cut too much of it off, there's no turning back. I'm taking my got2b Ultra Gels, and this is just styling gel. It's just a stronger hold. Mine is very, very nasty, but I'm just gonna go ahead and place that on the lace part. As you guys can see, I'm placing it on the lace and on the hair, but you don't really need a lot because sometimes when you use a lot, it gets clumpy. So it's like, it's not necessary to put gel all the way down here. Just put it on the edge of it, because once you swoop it, it just ends up right into the gel anyway. I'm going in with the Nomad by Juvia's Place. It looks like she is bomb.com, okay? And these colors, look at these colors. Let me just zoom in, okay? Look at that shimmery yellow color, okay? These colors are freaking beautiful. Now, I need to wash my brushes, period. I'm going in with that brown shade. I'm gonna use that as my transitioning shade. I think I want to do like a yellow color. Y'all know it's the end of summer, right? The end of freaking summer. Summer is freaking gone. And it's getting dark quick. I don't know about you guys, but... And I didn't use any setting powder or any... I mean, I said setting powder. I didn't use any, dang, I don't know what I was talking about. I didn't use any eyeshadow primer, so this is what you're getting if you don't use that, okay? Okay. And like y'all know, I don't do eyeshadow, so y'all know I must be feeling some type of way. I used to do eyeshadow all the time back in the day, but it was always ugly. Okay, now I'm going with this glittery yellow shade right here, and I am gonna spray my brush because I did not use any eyeshadow. What's it called? I didn't use any eyeshadow primer, so I know the color is not gonna come off that great. So I'm just gonna spray my little peaches of green. Should have let it dry down some, you know, and just place it. Okay, it's not bad. It has more of a powdery feel to it with the glitter in there. I feel like if that was just like a full glitter shade, that would have been popping, but I don't think it's bad. But I feel like it has a more powdery substance to it mixed in with the glitter, which is why I can't really like shine like, because it's like matte mixed with glitter, if that makes sense. Alright, we're done with that for right now. Ooh, no, because that's a little ashy. Maybe if I take, I'm going to try to take this gold shade right here and put it on top of the yellow. I don't know. I feel like it would do something. Okay. So, I do want to go in with this darker green, however, just to deepen up the crease just a little bit. Just a smidget, not too much. Because, honey, I know sometimes I can go in and think I'm doing something and then F up the whole look. You know? See? That's what I'm talking about. You see that green? That's not a good green. I'm going to go back in with that olive shade and just cover that up. Because there's no. And now I gotta do the other side with that little bit of green in there. And then go back with the olive. I thought it was a darker green, you know. But it's all good. But I'm just separating the curls so it can lay flat in certain areas because it's like sticking up. But that was the only snag that I had so far with this unit. Being as though I just put it on. That one snag. But it pulls apart easily, which I'm impressed with. What is that in that corner? Don't mind that, y'all. I don't know what. I think it's my screen. It is. It was. Okay. So now we got to change our outfit so it really can be complete. And I don't have any new clothes. I don't know if I want to like put it back some on one side. Like this. No, that was stupid. My eyebrows are so ugly. Now let me put my outfit on so I can feel myself a little bit more, because sometimes you can't because your clothes is just not doing it. It's just not what's it. It's just fugly, you know? It just doesn't look full when it goes, like, the longer the length, It don't look that bad, y'all. I'm just being dramatic, okay? But sometimes I do cut it because of that. Sometimes it's not as full towards the end when you're having like a longer inch of curl. But y'all, nobody can tell me my hair is synthetic. Besides the shine, okay? Besides that shine, it's got a little bit too much of a shine for me. Alright guys, so we have come to the end of the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, y'all. When I tell you guys this look came out bomb, this look came out bomb. I love everything down from how my eyes turned out. I love just everything. I'm loving this unit. Let me tell you guys a tea on this unit. Do not forget, why am I clapping? Y'all, it's definitely TJ approved. And like I said, if you are synthetic, you are a synthetic wearer, you guys already know what to expect from a $30 wig. I don't need these virgin hair only people in my comments talking about, oh, they look done. I mean, I'm not talking to you, okay? I'm versatile. I love to put it on units that's already styled and go. So I will pick up a synthetic unit versus a virgin hair unit. That's just on period because I'm lazy, you know? I just want to look cute quickly, okay? So like I said, these are not everyday units. If you guys are not familiar with synthetic units, they're not everyday wear, okay? You get what you get, okay? So yeah, don't think that either. Also, this is not a full lace. It's not full lace. It's just made to go down. They give you enough room where you can create baby hairs if you would like, you know? So that's that. Other than that, I feel like I said, this texture is more of a yucky texture. Like I said, with curly hair or any type of curl pattern and synthetic units, I don't feel like they last as long as other, you know, patterns. I feel like they are prone to tangle quicker, and that's just that. And I say that in all my videos when I'm doing curly hair. I wouldn't recommend this for everyday use, okay? Now these are units come in handy when you have somewhere like to go and you need to be on the go and you ain't got time to do your hair. These are good to just pull out and go out the door, because that's what I've done. Like I said, I've only gotten that little bit of shedding I showed you. With textures like this, you don't want to keep going in and rubbing your hands to it every 5 minutes, because it's going to create frizz. You're going to end up with nap ball and you're going to be looking sight. Try to not put your hands in it if you don't have to. I know sometimes it's going to look like something's tangly. Just gently pull it apart, put it back down, and go. Don't be going rough like, because it's not virgin hair, you know? You got to understand, if you don't wear synthetic hair, you don't get it. You don't get it. Most people are trying to expect high quality hair for $30. Like, sis, you're not about to get $300-400 hair for $30. What are you talking about? Yes, we all wish that synthetic would find a different way to increase the longevity of their units. I would love that, especially for the curly hair units, because they're my favorite. But you really get what you pay for, you know? So like I said, it's TJ approved. I will leave the link down below. I haven't had any problems, and I've been out already. I've been out for the past 2-3 hours. My hair is not matted. Like I said, it's not matted. You still can pull it apart, you know? So it is what it is. So if you like it, you like it. You don't, and that's just on period. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm about to go out. It's Friday, y'all. It's Friday night and I'll be alright. Sorry, let me stop. And hope you guys enjoy, and until next time, your girl will see you later. Bye guys.